I am Dr. Arun Garg. I am the Associate Professor in the Department of Mathematics in NIET, Jaipur. My topic is partial differential equation. Partial differentiation. Partial differentiation. What is the need of the partial differentiation? Actually, when y is a function of x, we find dy by dx. That is called the total differentiation. Total differentiation. But here y is a function of x, that is the single independent variable. If z is a function of two variables, that is x and y, and in that case we find out the partial derivatives, that is the divar z upon divar x, that is divar f upon divar x. That is called the differentiation of f(x)y with respect to x, treating y as a constant, and this one is denoted by p. Second one, divar z upon divar y, that is the differential of z with respect to y, treating x as a constant, Okay. So, these two are denoted by the p and q. These two, one divar z upon divar x and divar x upon divar y, these are called the first partial derivatives. These are called first p and q are first partial derivatives. Again we differentiate this one, that is r, it is divar 2 z upon divar x square, and it is divar upon divar x of divar z upon divar x. S, that is divar 2 z upon divar x divar y, it is divar upon divar x of divar z upon divar y, and t divar 2 z upon divar y square, that is divar upon divar y of divar z upon divar y. These three, that is r, s and t, are called the second order partial derivatives. So, let us come on the questions. The first one is if z, or you may say u, is a function of 3 x, y, z, then find divar cube u upon divar x, divar y and divar z. Find divar u upon divar x, that is e to the power x y z into y z, divar 2 u upon divar x divar y, that is equal to divar upon divar y of x is outside, y e to the power x y z. Now, it is a function of 2. So, we will adopt the product formula, that is y as it is, differential of second, that is e to the power x y z into x z, and plus e to the power x y z into 1. So, it is x square y z and plus x and to the power x y z. Now, diver cube u upon diver x, diver y and diver z, that is equal to. Now, again it is a product of two. First function as it is x square y z and plus x as it is e to the power x y z into y z plus e to the power x y z, it is 2 x y z and plus 1. So, it is e to the power x y z it is x square y square z square and plus 3 x y z and plus 1. That is all. That is the derivative. Okay. Now, come on the second question. It is okay?